Hello friends, I welcome you all to this video. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing my channel and liking my video. This is a very lengthy question, but it is an Olympiad question. Find the sum cos square 0 degree plus cos square 2 degree up to cos square 360 degree. We have to find out. That means multiple of 2, starting from 0. So there are so many terms. It is a 180 terms, 181 terms. So we'll divide this into some series, two, three. I'll make two parts. How? First, I'm taking this is same as your cos square 0 degree plus cos square 2 degree cos square 358 degree plus cos square 360 degree equals to, I'm making into four parts. One is 0 to 90, that will be cos square 0 degree cos square 2 degree. Here it will be cos square 88 degree plus cos square 90 degree. Next I'll make the series cos square 92 degree cos square 94 degree up to cos square 180 degree. So before that certainly it will be cos square 178 degree. Third series is again cos square 182 degree plus cos square 184 degree. I am not writing all the terms, you must understand there are similar terms in between. Here it will be cos square 360 degree and cos square 358 degree is 270 degree. Plus 266 degree, 68 degree. And last is your cos square 272 degree plus cos square 274 degree, and last will be your cos square 358 last but one, and last is cos square 360 degree. So starting from 1 we'll write. Before that let me write the values we know here. One is cos square 0 we know because it is cos 0 whole square, that will be 1. We know that cos square 90 we know it is 0. Next we know cos square 180. Cos 180 is minus 1, so this will be minus 1 square plus 1 again. We know cos 270, that is again 0, and we know cos square 360, it is 1. So these 5 values we have got. Coming to the first series. For the first series, I'll apply that cos 90 minus theta equals to your sin theta, and cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. So it starts from cos 0. I am not writing. I am starting from here because we have taken is 1. So cos square 2 degree plus cos square 4 degree. Here somewhere I'll get cos square 44 degree plus, when I write cos 46 degree, I can write cos 90 minus 44, that will 46, that will be sine 44 degree. So it will be sine square 44, and last but one will be your sine square 88 degree, and last but one will be sine square 86. Last is sine square 88. So if you see that cos square 2, sine square 88, they makes 1. Here these two makes 1, so on. So how to write this? I'll write that this is same as your taking the sum I is equal to 1 to I is equal to your how many terms are there? 44 terms are there, but I am writing this as I cos 2I sum. That means 2 with 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, so on, and the value of I is your 22. Cos square 2I plus sin square 2I. You will take the sum. It will be 1. How many times? It will be 22 times. So here answer is 22. First series, the answer is 22. Series 1. Now coming to series 2. For series 2, what I'll write? First let me write what we have written. It will be cos square 92 plus cos square 94 plus cos, it is up to cos 176, because 180 we have taken as values, cos square 176 and cos square 170. This is 8 and this is 76. Here I will apply that cos 90 plus theta equal to your minus sin theta, or cos square 90 plus theta equals to sin square theta. So cos square 92 I can write that will be sin square 2, sin square 4. And what about this? There I'll apply cos 180 minus theta equal to minus cos theta, or cos square 180 minus theta equal to sin square theta, cos square theta. So cos square 92 will be same as your sin square 92, sin square 2 degree, 90 plus 2, sin square 4 degree, so on. And here will be again cos square 4 plus sin square 4, sin square 2, cos square 2. So many mistakes. Sorry. It will be cos square 2. So again I am getting a series summation of I is equal to 1 to I is equal to 22. Again it will be sin square theta plus sin square 2I plus cos square 2I. So what is the value? It will be 1. How many times? 22 times. The series is 22. Now coming to series 3. Series 3 equals to cos 182 plus cos 184, 270 I have already taken. So cos square 168, and before that 268, before that it will be cos square 266. So here I'll apply again cos 180 plus theta equals to minus cos theta, and cos square 180 plus theta is equal to cos square theta. So it will be in this side from left, and from right side it will be your, we can write cos, it will be 3 pi by 2, the 270 minus theta, equal to your 3 pi by 2 minus theta equal to minus sin theta. And when I'll take square, it will be square. So here this cos square, and it will be cos square 182 will be cos square 2 plus cos square 4 plus cos square 6. Here somewhere cos square 44. Then it will be all sin square. Sin square 44 up to your sin square 4 plus sin square 2. This is again a series of I is equal to 1 to 22. I is equal to 22 cos square twice I upon sin square twice I. This gives us 22. Now coming to fourth series. So that will be same as your second series. It will be cos square 272 plus cos square 274 here cos square 358 cos square 356. So here we will apply, how much will apply? Cos 3 pi by 2, 270 plus theta. 3 pi by 2 plus theta, we are in fourth quadrant and cos is positive here, it will be sin theta. If I take square, so it will be sin square, and here for all the last term, last 22 terms, we'll put cos 360 minus theta equal to cos theta, or cos square is equal to cos square. So I'm not writing all the terms, you must have understood what I am doing. So first one will be your sin square 2 degree plus sin square 4 degree, so on. In between sin square 44 will be there, cos square 44 will be there, and last term will be your cos square 4 plus sin square 4, cos square 2. So again summation I equals to 1 to 22, it is your sin square twice I plus cos square twice I equal to 22. So the four series all are 22, 22, 22, and this value of this 5, your cos square 0, this was 1, cos square uh, here, cos square 0 is 1, cos square 90 is 1, 0, this is 1, this is again 0, and this is 1. It was, the value was how much? 3. So 3 plus 22 4 times, the sum equal to, so final answer I am writing. So cos square 0 degree plus cos square 2 degree plus cos square 4 degree up to cos square 358 degree, then cos square 360 degree equals to your 22 into 4 plus your 3. So 91 is the answer. Thank you for watching whole video.